Welcome to our comprehensive 10-minute guide on mastering IELTS speaking. In this video, we will provide you with valuable tips and strategies to help you prepare and succeed in the speaking section of the IELTS exam. So, let's get started. First and foremost, make sure you understand the format of the speaking test. It consists of 3 parts, each serving a different purpose. Part 1 is an introductory conversation, Part 2 is a talk on a given topic, and Part 3 involves discussing abstract ideas. Understanding the structure will help you better prepare. Next, work on improving your fluency and pronunciation. Practice speaking English regularly with native speakers or language exchange partners. Focus on enunciating each word clearly and using appropriate intonation. Remember, the examiner will assess your ability to speak fluently and naturally. Now, let's move on to Part 1. This section is all about you, so take the opportunity to showcase your personality and interests. Make sure to provide detailed answers and avoid giving one-word responses. Use this chance to demonstrate your vocabulary range and grammar knowledge. In Part 2, you will be given a topic and have 1 minute to prepare. Use this time wisely to brainstorm and organize your ideas. Structure your talk with an introduction, main body, and a conclusion. Remember to support your ideas with examples and personal experiences. Finally, Part 3 will test your ability to discuss abstract topics. Read newspapers, listen to podcasts, and engage in discussions on various topics to broaden your knowledge and develop critical thinking skills. Practice answering questions with a focus on providing well-reasoned arguments and supporting evidence. Remember, improving your speaking skills takes time and practice. So, make sure to allocate enough time each day to practice speaking English. Thank you for watching our comprehensive 10-minute guide on mastering IELTS speaking. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more IELTS preparation videos. Good luck with your IELTS journey. We're going to share some expert tips on how to pass your first IELTS speaking test. So, let's get started. Tip number 1, familiarize yourself with the format of the test. The IELTS speaking test consists of 3 parts, and it's important to understand what is expected from you in each part. Tip number 2, practice speaking English regularly. Find a study partner or join an English conversation group to improve your fluency and pronunciation. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Tip number 3, expand your vocabulary. Read books, listen to podcasts, and watch movies in English. This will help you to become more comfortable using a wide range of words and expressions. Tip number 4, be prepared to talk about a variety of topics. The examiner can ask you about anything, from your hobbies to current events. Stay updated and make sure you have some ideas for different subjects. Tip number 5, use linking words and phrases to connect your ideas. This will make your speech more coherent and organized. Practice using words like however, although, and therefore to show a clear flow of thought. Tip number 6, don't be afraid to ask the examiner to clarify a question if you don't understand it. It's better to ask for clarification than to give a wrong answer. Tip number 7, finally, practice your timing. You have a limited amount of time for each part of the test, so make sure you manage it wisely. Use a stopwatch during your practice sessions to become more comfortable with the time constraints. And that's it. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing your speaking skills and you'll be well prepared for your IELTS speaking test. Thanks for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Good luck on your IELTS speaking test.